Hi, my name is Emmy. You probably are watching this video because you know me from TikTok, where I post some really interesting makeup tutorials. Usually pretty dark, kind of weird. But on this channel, I'm attempting to lean a little bit more on the beauty side of things. I've gotten sent a lot of products from different brands, skincare, makeup, so we're going to try them out right now. So keep on watching. First up, we have Naked Fridays. Something I found interesting is all of these products are SPF 50. That's so cool to me. They sent me two different shades. Shade 2.5 and shade 3. Let's see which one matches me best. Actually, first let's try the Mineral Glow Serum Drops in shade Bronze. Let's put my hair back, open this bad boy up. Okay, oh, it's already dripping out. Hopefully that's not too much. Oh, she's pigmented. She is pigmented. So we're not gonna put that all on. We're gonna take some off. Okay, let's blend the rest that's on my face. Looks like I was in the tanning bed a little too long. Okay, I like the glow it gives. I would just recommend that if you use this product, do not put as much as I put on. Now let's try out skin tint. I'm gonna go with the lighter shade because I really need a tan and I'm pale. I like the holographic packaging. This looks like a good shade match. I feel like most people use tools to blend out their makeup, but I always use my hand. I just feel like the hands like warm the makeup and it just blends in way more seamlessly. Super glowy, pretty light coverage. Like as you can see, usually this mold disappears when I use my other foundations, but yeah, everything is peeking through. Nice. I want to try out this SPF 50 lip oil. This is in the shade Salted Caramel. Oh my gosh, it smells like caramel. How do you say it? Caramel or caramel? I feel like someone's going to be watching this and be like, why are you saying it like that? It's kind of like a brownish caramel shade. It really does look like caramel. This is scrumptious. Does it taste like caramel? No. This is cool. Look how shiny it is. Damn. I think this is my favorite. Let's try the blush. Oh, this has pink algae and hyaluronic acid. That's cool. I like makeup that has skincare in it too. Ooh, it's pink. It's cute. It's like all this packaging has like a little nozzle that you pour onto your face. Let's see how dark it is. Hello? Oh. Whew, a lot just came off. I would be aware with these nozzles, a lot comes off. So just be careful when you're putting some on your face. This is a gorgeous color. Ooh, this really reminds me of a Charlotte Tilbury blush. I don't know what shade, but it's like so luminous. Damn, that is so cool. I put too much on again, but that is beautiful. Okay, next brand. This is from Thomas Roth. I've been really trying to up my skincare, so I'm excited to try his products. This is a cool packaging. Tired of tired eyes? Forget the filler. It's heavy. What is in here? It like came with a charger.
I'm a board-certified facial plastic surgeon, and your favorite one on the internet, Dr. Prem Tripathi. I already told you that as an expert, the Peter Thomas Roth Peptide Skinjection Amplified Wrinkle Fix Serum would be the wave of 20.
So it gave me an iPad. That's cool. I'm gonna take this makeup off so I can try a few things. Let's try out this under eye cream. I'm gonna do it to one eye and see if by the end of the video we see any difference. Even though I know that this is probably not something that happens overnight, but it's like almost like looks like makeup. It feels really cooling and nice. And they also sent me another box. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, it says, beautiful skin awaits. Thank you for your purchase. I didn't purchase it. Whoa, came with a lot of stuff. Look at all that. I have wanted to try these so bad. They're 24 karat gold luxury lift and firm eye patches. I want to try these. There's a lot of other stuff here, but I'm not going to be able to get to all of that. So if you want another video showing more products, then let me know. Okay, It's heavy. I've never worn under eye patches. It comes with a little spoon. Whoa. It smells like a eucalyptus oil. Oh, this is satisfying. Oh my god, it's so slippery. Is this how you do it? I think it's like this. Whoa. This feels so bougie. So good. Oh, this is heavy. What is this? Philosophy. I love their skincare. They sent me a little letter. Amelia, we're thrilled to send you Philosophy goodies. We hope you enjoy. They sent so much. Look at all of this stuff. Alright, let's see. Cleanser, eye stuff, serum, rejuvenating nighttime serum and cream. This is heavy. So heavy. Miracle Worker, line correcting moisturizer. I'd like to try that. Ah, look at those under eyes. Damn. This is hefty. Oh, it's so creamy. It smells so good. I have a feeling this is going to be amazing. It's the texture is so satisfying. It just smells like a spa. Oh, it smells so good. It's just like so rich. Whoa, it's so glowy. Honestly though, look at the difference between these two under eyes. That Peter Thomas Roth under eye stuff. Am I crazy, or does this not have the same hollow as this? That's crazy. Do you see that? Oh, they sent me perfume. Warm cashmere. I love perfume that smells clean and like when you get your clothes washed. Maybe it smells like that. That is so good. It's like a mix of vanilla and cotton. This is my favorite perfume, I think, I've ever smelled. Then I Met You is the next brand. I love this packaging. Oh, it's a Korean skincare brand. They sent me a cleansing balm. I love cleansing balms because I use a lot of makeup, so it just kind of like melts everything away. They also sent me this adorable cream, but I already have cream on my face. So I'm gonna try the lip mask because I love lip balms and lip masks. Ooh, I like the applicator. That is so smooth and soft. That's good. I love that. Okay, let's just try a little bit of the bounce cream because it has this little cute little spatula and I want to use it. I love this packaging. Whoa, it's like yellow. I feel like I never see yellow moisturizer. It smells like, what does it smell like? Like citrus pineapple. Oh, it's a vitamin C moisturizer. Oh my god, it's so cold. Okay, let's just do that for now. It smells so citrusy and good. Whoa, for some reason it's like really warming up on my skin really fast. Gorgeous. Love the smell of that. Oh, this is heavy. Look at this adorable packaging from Fresh. It has my little name on it. Ooh, it has cat hair. Okay, let's open her up. This feels like Christmas. Look at this packaging. Whoa. This is so pretty. Okay, they sent some facial treatment essence. Oh, that's cool. Protects and visibly repairs from the harmful effects of external stressors for 24 hours, leaving skin smooth and luminous. I didn't really know what essence was, but that's really cool. Also, if you notice my skin is getting a little red, that's not from the products. I was volunteering at an animal shelter today, and I'm kind of allergic to cats, so that's probably what that's from. I also live with 2 cats, so I'm getting some allergies. We have a soy face cleanser, a youth preserve day serum, ooh, tint and treat lip kit. I want to try these. Age renewal eye cream and rose deep hydration facial toner. First, I want to try these lip treatments. I love their packaging so much. It just feels so like luxury and like hotel-y, which is a good thing. I love hotel type products. It makes me feel like I'm on vacation. Cute. Okay. They're so little. We've got Bloom, Rose, and lip treatment. I wonder if this is colored? Yes, it is. So what color is this one? Ooh, it's like a more of a light red. And this one is just no color. I'm gonna try this one. The Bloom. I love this. It's like not that pigmented. So like you could use it as a chapstick, but it kind of like gives some color. Ooh, it smells so good. Some kind of dessert, like a berry dessert. Love that. I want to try this facial essence. It's huge and so heavy. Oh, she is thick. How do you put it on? Gently pat over cleansed face and neck with your palms. Use daily. Oh my god, this smells amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put some in my hand and some on. It smells like roses. A meadow of roses. Nice. There's so much I can try. I just can't do it all in one video. Let's go on to the second to last brand, Dr. Dress. Let's see what Dr. Dress sent. Okay, we've got some vitamin C gel moisturizer, some hyper serum, and exfoliating mask. I want to try serum. I haven't done a serum yet. Instantly illuminating serum. Directions: use daily, morning and night. Remove pin from tip. Twist cartridge to unlock. Click to dispense 2 to 4 pumps and massage into skin. This feels very medical. The package contains 2 cartridges to ensure the highest level of freshness and efficiency. To refill, twist out and insert a new cartridge. This feels like, what is that movie? The one that just won an award. I'm forgetting, but the one where they inject green substance. Substance is what it's called. For best results, use within Major Fade Solution system. I don't even know what they're saying, but we're just gonna look. Okay, there's a cartridge and a syringe. Bro, what? This is sick. It literally looks like I'm getting some medical grade stuff put on my face. All right, let's just see if I can get to do this. Remove pin from tip. Twist cartridge to unlock. Remove pin from tip. Okay. Twist cartridge to unlock. Okay. So it already has one in it. Okay. So there's already one in it. This is just an extra one. Okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. 1, 2. Smells like nothing. 3, 4. Okay. Feels like serum. So what does this say it's gonna do? This formula is dermatologist tested, clinically tested, allergy tested, non-irritating, fragrance-free, cruelty-free. Amazing. It improves skin tone, targets and treats discoloration, and instantly illuminates. Based on an independent clinical study of 29 subjects after 8 weeks using Major Fade Solution system. Awesome. This is so fun. I love how fun this is. Excuse me, I just got a bloody nose, so old tissue up there. Just ignore her. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate anyone that clicked on this video, and I love reading your comments. I read every single one of them, so if there's something that I haven't touched on in my videos and you want me to review something or do a tutorial or anything, even like day in my life, whatever you want, comment down below. So yeah, thank you. Sorry again for that. That's kind of disgusting, but we're keeping it real. Keeping it real. Bye guys.